Look no further than the 2017 Nissan GT-R. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This curvaceous GT-R makes every drive a thrill, from its monstrous acceleration to its track-focused handling, premium interior, and all-wheel drive versatility. This supercar coupe is excitement on wheels. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Ignite your passion for supercar excitement in this GT-R. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.